Hey guys, if you want to see how I achieve this reverse ombre effect, please stay tuned. Hey, welcome back to Lux Life with Chris. It's been a minute since I made a video, so I decided to pop back in here and show you guys a custom wig I made recently. This is how all my platinum blonde wigs come. The link to my shop is in the link in bio if you want to shop with me. I definitely do custom color. Watch how I slay this wig, y'all. So the first step, I really, truly, this is a necessity. You have to tone down that 613 hair. It comes pretty yellow, and you kind of want the top part to this wig to be icy a little bit. So you see how yellow it is now? Watch how quick the purple shampoo changes it. It literally started changing the ends of the 613 wig immediately, so I had to take it out and I started to put the top in there. Do you see the results, you guys? We want the top part to be icy just like that. These are the colors I definitely use for this wig. I put them in the exact order I used them in. I started off with honey brown, then went to dark warm brown, and then finished off with black. I used half of the bottle of honey brown first, and it's very important for you to stir this around because if you look at my stick when I took it out, you can see the color particles on it, and that's not what you want. You want to keep stirring it till all the color is mixed through, even if it takes a minute. And I do that with the other colors. I just didn't do it with this one. So yeah, watch me go ahead and start watercoloring this. So I didn't record the first few dips because I just wanted to see if it would work out. So I did go about halfway, a little bit above halfway with this honey brown color. And the video does not show how long I actually was doing this. My arm was literally hurting throughout the three colors, you guys. Because you're constantly dipping it back over and over. So then I take my dark brown. I use, once again, about half of the bottle, you guys. I really wasn't using the whole bottle, so don't buy a whole bunch of dye. And then I make sure I fully stir this one around. And I go a little bit lower than that honey brown color just so we can get that ombre effect. And I try to, keep going lower and lower just to try to get the consistency of the ombre. I didn't want a harsh line, and I saw that at first and I was like, no, I want it to fade a little bit, so I made it dip a few times just so it can start getting that illusion of ombre. Good days, always ugly inside, good at living in my mind, sunny inside is good at living in my mind. So the last step is using the color black. Please, whatever you do not use jet black because it has the wrong undertone. Use just regular black. So this can just be an easier process, you guys. So I literally make a line for myself and tell me where to stop at before I start dipping. And I'm literally just putting the ends in the black. That's literally all I wanted for this look. And this is how it kind of came out. The lighting was bad. Just wait till you get better lighting. And watch me go ahead and start drying this hair. You see that icy color, ladies? Look at that icy color. It's so pretty. Gotta let go away, Kiki was holding me. Choose your eyes, what will break up in front of me? On the wall, all the way my arm, favorite smile. Still wanna try, still believing. There is various clips of the lighting. This is how it looked in the dark. Just wanted you guys to see that. Only inside is good. I did off camera was use some silk, some silkening oil. I'll go ahead and link that down in the bio. And then I also took some of my HSI heat protectant and I start combing it through and everything. Don't make fun of me because my mannequin fell. But yeah, girl, look at that color, bro. I was so obsessed. I'm really wanting to do this again. I wouldn't mind. And so now I'm just starting to straighten it. So watch this process. The last final process was just using my mousse, my wax stick, literally just to mold the hairline. I didn't do too much because the client for this wig is literally getting it installed by a professional stylist, so I didn't want to do too much. So I just molded it really for pictures, kind of. And this is, look, guys, this is how it came out, you guys. Like, I am so proud, like very, very proud. Follow me on Instagram, subscribe to my channel, and like this video. Bye, guys.